In this video, we're going to take a look at the audio difference between a catalyzed exhaust and a non-catalyzed exhaust. This vehicle is a 1985 Mustang. It has a 5-liter V8. It's carbureted, and it has a pair of Flowmaster Super 44s. First video, this one is with catalytic converters. Now again, that was with catalytic converters and Flowmaster Super 44s on the stock exhaust of an 85 Ford Mustang, and Flowmaster Super 44s instead of the standard mufflers. Now the second clip, the only thing difference is I've cut out the catalytic converter and put a patch pipe in. So go ahead and take a listen. You can see the difference. So you can see the difference between the two sound clips there. Now I want to thank you again for watching the video. Like if you like, dislike if you don't, and as always, have a good one.